How to change email address on Coinbase. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. To begin with, you have to go ahead and launch a Coinbase application. You can easily get access to your Coinbase through your Play Store or App Store. Make sure to install your Coinbase application. In here, you can find your tradable bitcoins and much more of assets as well. You can easily sign up or sign in to exchange your bitcoins or to trade among them. Now, if you want to change your email address on your Coinbase, you can tap Open your application and sign in to your account. From here, you have to tap on the very top option, that is the square box icon. When you tap on the square box, list of options will be displayed to you. However, you will not find the setting of change your email address on Coinbase. This is because you cannot change your email address on Coinbase once you are signed in with the current email address that you are using. This is for the security reasons by Coinbase policy. However, if you really want to change your email address on Coinbase, you have to go ahead and close your Coinbase account. For that, from the settings, select the option of Close your Coinbase account. Then enter your password and select Close Account. While you are creating your brand new Coinbase, you can go ahead and sign up with the email address that you currently are using or is active. And that is all, folks. This video was created for you as an informative video rather than a clickbait one. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.